So guys, here today I'm at my dad's house tonight. So this TV, here's my Xbox. I got a whole bunch of Xbox, like regular Xbox games, instead of the Xbox 360 games, because I have a lot of Xbox 360 games. So these are some of the games I got. This one, Grand Theft Auto. So one of the Grand Theft Autos is called Vice City. We can't find the disc. We also have X-Men. We have a really old Call of Duty that looks pretty cool. We have Spider-Man. So yeah. Now we have these games. Xbox. That's the movie. And here are some of the games I got that you can join with me. Call of Duty. That's one of them. Minecraft. Hold on 1 second. Just going to put my phone down and these games. Plants vs. Zombies. And Dead Island. I hate Dead Island, so don't worry. You don't have to play with me. Because I never play with it again. Can you guys please subscribe to me? Because I have barely any subscribers. I only have 3. I have a whole bunch of views. Thanks guys for watching my videos. For 6 of you. Whoever did, thank you. And whoever subscribed to me, thank you. If you subscribe to me more, I will have you as a friend on Xbox Live. Bye.